Ready to live the high life and earn high CPMs? Today we explore the world of luxury and the opportunities it presents for YouTube creators. If you're interested in creating content that is both luxurious and profitable, then you're in the right place. Today we'll be discussing the top 5 reasons why the luxury niche is one of the highest paying niches on YouTube. Reason 1. High interest and engagement. The first reason why the luxury niche is a high-paying CPM niche is due to the high level of interest and engagement from viewers. People are fascinated by luxury brands, products, and lifestyles, making it a popular and in-demand topic on YouTube. With high levels of engagement, advertisers are willing to pay higher CPM rates to reach this highly targeted audience. People are naturally curious and interested in the luxury lifestyle and the latest trends in the world of luxury. This interest is further amplified by the social media age, where people love to see and share luxury experiences, products, and events with their friends and followers. Additionally, luxury brands and products are often considered symbols of success and wealth, making them highly desirable for many people. This high level of interest and engagement means that there is a large and active audience for luxury content on YouTube, making it a prime target for advertisers. Reason 2. Unique product placements. The second reason is the unique product placements that are available within the luxury niche. Unlike other niches, the luxury market is dominated by high-end brands that are constantly launching new and exclusive products. By creating content that showcases these products and their unique features, you can attract a highly engaged and interested audience, as well as attract luxury brands to sponsor your content and pay high CPM rates. The luxury market is constantly evolving and growing, and there is always something new and exciting to discover and share with your audience. By featuring these new and exclusive products in your content, you can attract the attention of both your audience and luxury brands who are looking to showcase their products to a highly engaged and interested audience. Additionally, the high net worth individuals who are interested in luxury products are more likely to have higher disposable incomes, making them prime targets for advertisers and sponsors who are looking to reach this affluent demographic. Reason 3. Affluent target audience. The third reason is the affluent target audience that is attracted to the luxury niche. The high net worth individuals who are interested in luxury products are more likely to have higher disposable incomes, making them prime targets for advertisers and sponsors. By creating content that appeals to this affluent audience, you can attract high-paying advertisers who are willing to pay premium CPM rates to reach this desirable demographic. The affluent individuals who are interested in luxury products are often looking for high-quality, unique, and exclusive experiences and products. By creating content that appeals to their interests and values, you can attract their attention and build a highly engaged and loyal audience. This, in turn, makes your channel more attractive to advertisers and sponsors who are looking to reach this desirable demographic, as they are willing to pay higher CPM rates to reach this highly targeted audience. Reason 4. Unique storytelling opportunities. The fourth reason is the unique storytelling opportunities that are available within the luxury niche. With the world of luxury being so visually stunning and full of unique experiences, it's easy to create engaging and entertaining content that resonates with your audience. By highlighting the unique and exclusive aspects of the luxury lifestyle, you can create content that is both informative and entertaining, attracting a larger audience and higher-paying advertisers. The luxury niche provides a wealth of unique and exciting experiences to draw from for your content. From high-end fashion events to exclusive product launches and bespoke travel experiences, there is always something new and interesting to share with your audience. Additionally, the world of luxury is known for its stunning visuals and attention to detail, making it easy to create visually stunning content that is both eye-catching and engaging. This combination of unique experiences and stunning visuals creates a powerful platform for storytelling that can capture the imagination of your audience, building a loyal and engaged following. Reason 5. High CPM rates. The fifth and final reason why the luxury niche is a high-paying CPM niche is due to the high CPM rates that are associated with this niche. Advertisers and sponsors are willing to pay premium rates to reach the affluent and highly engaged audience that is attracted to the luxury lifestyle. The affluent target audience that is attracted to the luxury lifestyle is highly desirable for advertisers and sponsors who are willing to pay premium rates to reach this demographic. Additionally, the high levels of engagement and interest in the luxury lifestyle, combined with the unique storytelling opportunities, make it a prime target for high-paying advertisers. This, in turn, means that creators who focus on the luxury niche can earn higher CPM rates compared to other niches, making it an attractive option for creators who are looking to monetize their content and grow their channel. And there you have it, the top 5 reasons why the luxury niche is a high-paying CPM niche on YouTube. If you're interested in exploring this niche further, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more tips and insights into the world of luxury and monetizing your content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next episode.